Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us solve this problem. Okay, this one we have to solve without a calculator. So firstly, let us assume the value of x is equals to 20. Okay, wherever you find the value x 20, there you have to write x. In that case, we can write this one 18 as x minus 2, and I can write this 19 as x minus 1, and in the place of 20 I will write it as x, and here I will write it as x plus 1, and in place of 22 I can write it as x plus 2. Okay friends, you have understood till here? Then I will write this x first, then this x minus 1, and this x plus 1. Next is x minus 2 and this x plus 2. Okay, so then I can see here we have one formula, x minus 1, x plus 1. This is nothing but a square minus b square formula, that is a minus b into a plus b. So I can write it as x into this one, x square minus 1. Okay, in the place for x square minus 2 square, so I can write it as x square minus 4. Understood? Then what we will do, we will multiply these two terms. X square into x square is nothing but x to the power of 4 minus 4x square, then this minus x square, minus into minus is plus, 4 ones is 4. Now x to the power of 4 minus 5x square plus 4. Okay, then now replace the value of x, that is 20. 20 to the power of 4 minus 5 into 20 square plus 4. Then 20 to the power of 4. How I can write this one as? See, you have to multiply 24 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 4 times, 4 zeros. Okay, so I can write it as 16 followed by 4 zeros minus 5, and here 2 square is nothing but 4 and 2 zeros. Okay, you can do like this. See, 20 into 20, that is 2 2s is 4, 2 zeros remaining. I wrote plus 4, 20. Now I'll write this as it is, minus 5 4s is 20, 2 zeros as it is, plus 4. Now 20. Now subtract these two. When I subtract, I'll get the answer as 1 5 8 4 zeros. Sorry, 3 zeros. I'll show here. 16, 10 minus 2 is 8, 5, 1. So I have written this plus 4. Now add these terms. Now next is you have to split this 20 into 10 2s is 20. Now multiply these two. 2 4s are this term. 2 4s are is 8. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are is 16. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Okay, now multiply these two. So 10 into this term, so it will be 3 1 6 0 0 8, and this 0 I'll write last. Okay, so this will be your final answer. So the answer for 18 into 19 into 20 into 21 into 22 is this much. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.